Get ready po muna. Tingnan nyo sa taas yung bola. Ready? Yan. Good. Number 5 from downtown. No good. Ito by number 19. Going to the north basket.
Nice.
To number.
Nice.
Pabilio, 2 points. Number idol. Number 15. Pumalo, and 1. Opening the basket, number 11. Pabilio. Score now is 2-0. Okay, black. 2 points lang yun ha, sa layo yung free throw natin. Okay, may foul. Foul, sandali lang ha. Okay, report siya. 29. Hit and 2 shots. First personal foul. First team foul. Okay, 1 point. Free throw, number 27. First free throw. Second throw. Basket. Dalawa yung free throw. Exactly 7 minutes. Yan. Nakikita nyo naman po yung score, mga kapatid. 2 points. Nolasco.
Hindi naulan yun ah.
Number 2. Number 5 from downtown. Number 5. Rebound black. To number 06. To number 5 from downtown. Dizon. Back-to-back 3. Oh. Exactly 6 minutes. Last go, no good. Palo. Wala. Okay, last touch. Pabilio.
GG sila dun ah.
Ang magsasag po dito player ha, hindi po coach. Player ang magsasag. Number 5 from downtown, no good. And number 19. Hayes, no, rebound. Stepping on the line. Ay, hindi pala. Shoes on the line. Number 16, Tonalasco.
Venga!
Exactly 5 minutes for the first quarter. Okay, number 15. Intercept to number 2. To number 19, 2. Tan, 2 points. Number 6, may foul. 2 shots. Number 19, 1-9, lacking foul. First personal foul, second team foul.
Wala pang score si Maclay ah.
Okay, free throw po tayo. Akop shooting, number 27. Ayun, 1 point. Estemada. 1 point, idol. No good. Rebound. Number 19. Kan. Okay, traveling. Traveling tayo. Binangga niya yung malaki. Okay. Legal guarding point na kayo.
Patay.
Number 27, Estimada. Black by. Okay, last touch, number 5. Bison. Number 19. Tan. Tulo last one, number 2.
Nice pass.
Number. Ano number ng 3, Idol?
Rosal.
Ayan, 2 points po ha, SK ha, 2 points. Blocking foul. 1-9, blocking foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 19. Tan, second personal foul. Third team foul.
Nice. Nice steal.
Ayun,
Nice
ito
steal.
siya by number 19. Hey, Stu.
Nice. Nice.
Okay, this one.
Nice
Number
steal.
5, no good. Rebound. No, last go. From downtown,
Venga.
no good. And 2 points, okay, long 2. Long 2. Wala ha, long 2.
Long 2, nakatapak. Wala. Nice.
Wala.
Nice.
The last one, number 2.
Uy. Venga.
Number 3. Exactly 3 minutes.
Naganahan si Nolasco.
Yes.
Yun lang.
Defense, number 27. Okay, maganda. Iyawan, ganyan sana. Number 4 na. 3. Timeout.
Buenas. Time out.
Timeout. Yani, so 6. Idol, mamaya na yung bola niyo, Idol. Idol, amin na yung bola. Amin na yung bola, Idol. Mamaya na. Tatapos mo lang maglaro, Idol. Talaga, hindi lang sa nagsawa. Ano ka na, Otoy? Mamaya na yung volleyball naman natin. Pag volleyball ang laro, puro volleyball tayo. Pag basketball naman na, puro basketball muna. Hindi po ako nagagalit ha. Tinatama lang po natin yung konting mali. Ano po ha? Okay. Okay, resume. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 2 and 38 seconds. Yan, mga kapatid. Ano po ang laro ng basketball? Number 5, Bison. Looking for his teammate. Number 6. Tumira sa rebound number 11. Nolasco. Number 2. Number 19. Tumira sa rebound number 27. Estimada. Binigay kay number 6. Liz. May foul. Number 29. 29. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Second. Yun. Warning for penalty. Back-up shooting tayo. 1 point. Premise tayo. Mag-block. Okay, substitution. Premise out. Peralta. Okay, huwag ka na magpakilalim, idol. Paltan mo na yung pakilalim mo. Yan ako nakakulay puti. One minute 50 seconds. Number 19, down from downtown, no good. Pamilyo! Mo. Sabi ka ni Kuya Ador. 2 parts, number 11. Anak siguro ni Kalitong. From downtown, 3. Number 5. Okay, the last one. 15 seconds to shoot. 10.
Ay, huli.
Number 29. Wala ha? Wala. Number 27. Number 27 lays. 55 seconds. Hoy, may foul. Number idol. Number 6. First personal foul. Second team foul. So 6. Ready? Yan. Pamilyo. Number 11. No good. Follow by number 11. No good again. Rebound number 27. To number 6. Number 6. Lay. Ang score. Deadlock. Ay, 21. Deadlock, 21. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds.